Nagkahiwalay sa movie. Yes, John Lloyd and Bea are back together in their latest film, One More Chance. At dahil movie siyang usapin, pasok yan sa flick side. It has been a few months since the teleserye Maging Sino Ka Man ended its run. Now, fans of John Lloyd and Bea are waiting no more as soon they will get to see them again on the big screen via their latest movie under Star Cinema, ang One More Chance. Very excited na nga ang lahat for the movie, lalo na dito raw mapapanood ang unang love scene ni John Lloyd at Bea.
First time, at something new talaga na dapat abangan. I felt so comfortable doing it. And parang perfect na rin yung timing yung paggawa ko nito because parang kahit paano, I've matured enough.
Gusto kong isipan na mas naging mag-director us dahil ganito. Dahil kung naging iba, ako naging iba, baka naging mas mahirap.
To do one sizzling love scene, syempre kailangan rin na very macho and very sexy ang ating mga bida. Notice how John Lloyd became more fit and how Bea slimmed down for their roles. While sexy or not sexy, the John Lloyd-Bea tandem is still very credible and actually reaches a large fan base kahit very open ang dalawa na on-screen lang talaga ang pagiging romantic partners nila.
Mukha naman okay sa public na intindihan nila and parang open naman sa lahat ng tao na parang friends kami ni Lloydie at hindi naman nakaka-affect sa trabaho yung respective partners namin.
Hindi kayo working. And hindi lang basta-basta trabaho dahil syempre kami, yung trabaho namin, we use and we deal with real emotions.
Bea and John Lloyd have proven their acting prowess and are now gearing up for more mature and even unusual roles. And a Star Cinema insider told Cinema News Alert Weekend Edition na isang gay daw ang magiging role ni John Lloyd for his movie with the star for all seasons of Vilma Santos.
Tagal na yung movie na yan, yung gay role. Pero as of now, as of this very moment, wala pa akong alam, wala pa akong nababasang script. Ang alam ko lang, meron akong gagawin movie with Ate Lee. Pero kung ano yung laman, kung ano yung character, hindi ko pa alam. John yata makikita mo yung John.